Did you know it's possible to fix scoliosis naturally? Start with a simple exercise and breathing technique. Go on all fours and make a round back like a cat. Lean towards the opposite side of your scoliosis and then breathe in. You want to hold it at least for 5 seconds here, feeling that the stretch on your ribcage and on the push on your spine towards the opposite side. So if your scoliosis is pointing to the left, you need to lean towards the right and hold it for 5 seconds. Alright, when you come back to the neutral pose, relax, feel what happened in your body, and now we will do some reps. Inhale towards the opposite sides, 5 seconds. Exhale, gently relax. Inhale, as deep as you can, push the air onto your ribcage, all the way to the left side, and exhale, neutral. In, out. Again, it's important that you do it on the opposite side of your scoliosis. In this case, you're imagining that the scoliosis is pointing to the right, therefore we are leaning more towards the left. All in, hold for a few seconds, and relax. Few more, in, out, in, out, and last one a bit longer. Gently let go and come down into the child pose. Just relax. Fantastic. Slowly sit down and observe your body. Feel the effect of the exercise on the sides. Do it for 2 more rounds or in the total of 3 rounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel afterwards.